Okay, so don't take this the wrong way, but burnout isn't always caused by systemic workplace issues. Often it's caused by your daily habits. So before you write me off, don't get me wrong. Workplace cultures with toxic cultures, toxic leadership, limited staffing, and completely unrealistic demands can absolutely cause burnout. I've seen it and I've been there. But oftentimes, burnout hits due to daily habits stacking up over time like dominoes. So things like banging out emails at all hours of the night, never taking your lunch away from your desk, saying yes to way too much, obsessive perfectionism, never making time for yourself, seeing sleep as a luxury or a waste of time, regularly skipping meals, not making time for friendships or connection, ignoring the warning signs in your body, and trying to be a one-man band. I could go on, but it doesn't have to be this way. And the easiest way to avoid burnout is to prevent it in the first place. So if you're tired of feeling